In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Facebook ad library video. So the first step is to simply go to ad library. So simply search on Google Facebook ad library and then click on the first link. Then you're gonna have to simply search for the ad. So I'm gonna change to United States. So let's change to United States. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply select all ads, and then you're gonna have to simply search by keyword or advertiser. So I'm gonna search for Temu because they have a lot of ads, and then I'm gonna choose their main page. Now, if you want to find video ads, you're gonna have to click on filters, and then here where it says media type, select videos. So as you can see, you have images, memes, images and memes, videos. So I'm gonna choose videos, and then you're gonna have to simply choose which ad you want to download. So you're gonna have to simply right click on the ad and then simply click on inspect. Then you're gonna see the developer mode here. So simply click once on this blue part of the code, and then simply press Ctrl F on your keyboard and search for MP4, just like this. And basically you're gonna have to scroll. So this will be the ad. So let's look for the ad. So now what you're gonna have to do is simply copy this. So let's copy link address, and then you're gonna have to simply paste it in a new tab, and then basically that's all you have to do. Now if you want to download this, you're gonna have to simply right click and then simply click on download, and as you can see the download will start, and now we have the ad from Facebook ad library. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.